mind, it's the damn squirrel on the bird feeder.
Okay, now I understand your pain and misery, but it does sound like you've got a case of squirrel-induced bird feed displacement psychosis. Now I can prescribe you a pill called Nut Off. However, side effects may include an increased appreciation for squirrels, sudden urges to stock up on acorns, and a potential affinity for climbing trees.
Stocking up on acorns, climbing trees? Surely there's a better way.
I'm afraid there isn't, and actually in my experience...
There.
It says Roam Wild Pest Off Bird Feeder.
That's handy, Harry. Stick it in the garden.
There. Now you can relax. Till you get my feet.